Hello everybody, hello grade 6. Today we will study the math revision for grade 6 quiz 3. So let's start. First, we studied before evaluating expressions. Evaluate each expressions. The expression 1 and expression 2 are called numerical expressions. First guys, we have exponents. We studied before that 4 squared equals what? Equals 4 times 4 equals 16. Now substitute 16 for 4 squared. And we have 3 times 2 equals 6. Now we can write the value of the expression equals what guys? Yes, equals 9 plus 6 plus 16. First guys, 9 plus 16, two friendly numbers, equals 25. Now 25 plus 6 equals what guys? Yes, equals 31. Now the numerical value of the first expression equals 31. Next, we studied before 2 cubed equals what guys? Equals 8. It means that 2 times 2 times 2. 2 is repeated 3 times. And we studied that 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we can write the expression or the value of the expression equals what? Equals 2 cubed equals 8 divided by 2 minus 4. Now we have subtraction and division. Division is the first one. Now 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Now 4 minus 4 equals what? Yes, equals 0. Now don't forget guys, the order of operations. Division and multiplication first from left to right. Next, addition and subtraction from left to right. But if we have exponential form, try to cancel the exponential form. Just write the standard form of the exponential form. Next, evaluate each expression. X cubed divided by 8 minus 1, x equals 2. Now guys, this algebraic expression, just substitute 2 for x. We will get the numerical value of the expression. We get 2 cubed divided by 8 minus 1. Ask yourself, 2 cubed equals what, mister? Equals 8. Now we get 8 divided by 8 minus 1. Now the value of the expression equals what? 8 divided by 8 equals 1. We get 1 minus 1 equals what, mister? Equals 0. Now the value equals 0. Number 2, 68 divided by 2 minus 3.4 times 10, and q equals 2. Just substitute 2 for q. We get the value of the expression. We can write it as 68 divided by 2 minus 3.4 times 10. First guys, 68 divided by 2 equals 34 minus, just move the decimal point to the right one decimal place. We will get a whole number. It will be 34. Now 34 minus 34 equals 0. Now the value of the expression 68 divided by q minus 3.4 times 10 when q equals 2 equals what, mister? Equals 0. Next, evaluate each expression. The first expression, 3s raised to the power 4 minus s squared minus 2s raised to the power 4 and s equals 3. Ask yourself, what's the first step? The first step guys, just collect like terms we studied before. Now you have to simplify this expression. 3s raised to the power 4 minus 2s raised to the power 4, it will be what, mister? Yes, it will be s raised to the power 4. Now we can write the expression as what guys? As 2s raised to the power 4 minus s squared. And s equals 3. Now substitute 3 for s. We get 2 times 3 raised to the power 4 minus s equals 3. Now we have 3 raised to the power 2. Ask yourself now guys, 3 raised to the power 4 equals what? Equals 81. Now we can write the expression as what? As 2 times 81 minus, mister, what? 3 squared equals 9. 2 times 81, just multiply 2 by 1 equals 2. 2 by 8 equals 16. Now we have 162 minus 9. 162 minus 10 equals 152. Plus 1, mister, it will be 153 in the simplest form. You can use mental math. Number 4, 4.6m plus 2n plus 0.4m minus n. m equals 2 and n equals 3. Now guys, we have algebraic expression. We have two variables, m and n. What's the first step? The first step is what, mister? Yes, collect like terms. 4.6m and 0.4m, two like terms. Mentally, x equals what, guys? Yes, equals 5m. Okay, guys? 2n minus n, it will be n. Now the expression in the simplest form equals 5m plus n. Now we can find the numerical value of the expression. Just substitute 2 for m and 3 for n. We get 5 times 2 plus, mister, what? 3. Ask yourself now, which operation is the first? Now multiplication. 5 times 2 equals 10. Now 10 plus 3 equals, mister, 13. Now the numerical value of the expression, 46.m plus 2n plus 0.4m minus n equals 13 when m equals 2 and n equals 3. Next, solve for x. The first equation is addition equation. X plus 0.2 equals 5.4. The addition equation, to solve the addition equation, we will use the inverse operation. Just circle 0.2 and move it to the other side to be subtracted. We can write x equals 5.4 minus, mister, 0.2. Now the value of x equals what, mister? Equals 5.2, and you can check your answer. Just substitute x for 5.2. Now we will get the left hand side equals the right hand side. Next, x minus 0.5 equals 3.3. To find the value of x, just circle minus 0.5 and move it to the other side to be added. Now we can deduce that x equals 3.3 plus 0.5. Mentally, we can deduce that the value of x, it will be 3.8 in the simplest form. Number 3, it's addition equation. But we have two like terms. You have to collect like terms mentally first. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So we have 3.4. Plus x, mister, equals 5. It's addition equation. To find the value of x, we can write x equals 5 minus 3.4. Pay attention, guys. You must equate the decimal places first. Now we can write x equals 5.0 minus. This number is 3.4. By regrouping, it will be 10 minus 4 equals 6. And 4 minus 3 equals 1. But don't forget, guys, to bring down the decimal point. Now the value of x equals what, mister? Equals 1.6. And you can check your answer. Just to substitute x equals 1.6 and find the value of the left hand side. It will be 5. Number 4, 5.4 minus x equals 2.07. To find the value of x, ask yourself, guys. The first one is called minuend. We studied before. And the second one is subtrahend. We studied before. And the last one is called the difference. To find the value of x or the subtrahend, mister, just subtract the difference, which is 2.07 from 5.4. Now we can say 5.4 minus 2.07. Don't forget, guys, you must regrouping, equate the decimal places first. Now we can write 5.40 minus 2.07. Don't use calculator, don't forget. It will be 10 minus 7 equals 3. 4, it will be 3 minus 0 equals 3. Bring down the decimal point. Don't forget, guys, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now the value of x equals 3.33. Next, solve for x. The first one is division equation. X over 0.3 equals 10. To find the value of x, guys, just multiply both sides by 0.3 we studied before. You can find now the value of x directly equals 0.3 times 10. Now x equals what? Just move the decimal point one decimal place to the right. We will get x equals 3. Next, 0.7x equals 4.9. Just divide both sides by 0.7. We will get Mr. X equals what? Equals 4.9 divided by 0.7. Now we can deduce directly that x equals 49 over 7. 49 over 7 means 49 divided by 7 equals what, guys? Yes, equals 7. Now the value of x equals 7. Next, x divided by 9 equals 0.04. To find the value of x, guys, x is what? Is the dividend, mister. So to find the dividend, just multiply the quotient by the divisor. Now x equals what, guys? X equals 0.04 times 9. Ignore the decimal point and multiply as we studied before. 4 times 9 equals 36. Now insert the decimal point after how many digits to the right? After 2 digits. So it will be 63.0. Now the value of x equals 0.36. Finally, guys, to find the value of x, just multiply 0.1 by 0.02. We will get 0.1 times 0.02. Now ignore the decimal point. 2 times 1 equals 2. But don't forget to insert the decimal point according to the decimal factors. We have 3 decimal places, so insert the decimal point after 3 digits to the right, from the right. Now 2, 0, 0.0. Finally, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon, guys.